raining. So today it's really cloudy right now. And yeah, I heard there's a thunderstorm. So yeah, you know, I think it's about to rain. I think there's it's about to rain right now. I think because it's cloud. Look at that. Look at that. So cloudy. Just look at that. Look at those clouds, right? Look at that. Just look at so much sound. So I'm gonna record this video until it's been 5 minutes. Time my videos get music longer every time. If a rain starts, I'm gonna record the start. And that's definitely down. This is good. That's okay. See this? Right. So I think it is almost raining right now. Just look at the cloud stuff. It is very cloudy. I even see big fogs there. Just look at that. Look at that. I see a fog. I guess it's about to rain right now. That is a very light blue cloud. That is a very light blue sky that we think it is a cloud. So, and it is almost about to rain. I guess there is likely a 23% chance, or likely a 56% chance. Alright, so much raining. Yeah, it's been 3 minutes. Anyways, let's explore. So, what's this thing? Ask me in the comments and tell me in the comments because I don't know what thing is this. Or maybe not because I think that's a hill. I think I may zoom out. So, guys, see that? See that white dot over there? That's a house. Oh, I forgot that I am supposed to record. So, I think there was a rain. And I will stop the video at 5 minutes. This is a very long video. And also, this will not stop until it has been 5 minutes. If you're bored, then you can look at places far away. The zoom can make it more clear. You can see those pixels. So, oh my gosh. yeah, it's been 5 minutes. It's a great time to end the video, man. Goodbye. I know how to wave in the camera. Bye.